waiting for dark, wearing the Ryan masks like a shield. I know they're coming, I know they're here. Oh, that
I wish for your good health and happiness in life. I hope we can spend more time together. And syempre, thank you for being supportive and for being my chika buddy.
Happy 18th birthday, Anka, anak. Sana magiging masunurin ka pa kahit dalaga ka na, sumusunod ka pa sa amin. At sana pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral para sa iyong mga pangarap. Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
On a study night in Florence, Italy.
Happy birthday, Anika, anak. Malaki ka na. Ang sabi ko lang sa iyo ay mahal na mahal ka namin ng mama mo. Wish ko lang maging mabuti kang tao, maging matulungin sa mga kamag-anak natin. Ngayon yung tatandaan, dito lang kami naman para sa iyo. Love you, Anika.
I wanna see for myself what I've read about, and I wanna find it out for myself this time.
As of time, as a welcome, the debutant as a woman, greater hat and leg escorted by cousin Kael Gaet. Let's give us bigger round of applause, Miss Anika Cortez.
Na you can lean on to your friends all the time. Remember that you are not alone in this journey of yours. We, your friends, are more than grateful for the opportunity to be part of your world. Kaya sulitin mo na kami.
Ayun, I wish you all the best. And sana kung ano yung gusto mong tahakin in the future, sana makuha mo siya.
I wanna see for myself.
As one of my favorite low-maintenance friends, I've always looked forward in catching up with you and to know so much about you. But I know na kahit di tayo mag-usap for so long, may ongoing bond pa rin tayo. As someone who is basically inseparable sa akin, my wish for you is to simply get anything that you wish for and for me to hear everything about it. Happy birthday!
Happy Legality, Ikay! I love you!
Isa ka sa mga nagpakasaya sa mga buhay namin sa kakulitan. At basta pag magkasama tayo o kami, lagi mo kaming napapangiti at napapatawa.
You are one of the most selfless and wonderful people I have the privilege of knowing and being known by. You're also extremely talented, and I hope you're aware of that. You've gone so far already, and I know you'll only go further. Your brilliance is unparalleled. Even with all the stars in the solar system combined, you'll always shine bright.